Financial Dealings 4. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the attitude of some people during the outbreak of the coronavirus. It is important for Muslims to show the world the true teachings of Islam by practically demonstrating the behavior of a true Muslim. It is obvious many people all over the world are going through difficulties because of the virus, such as financial difficulties. Therefore, a Muslim should never take advantage of these difficulties in any way, such as increasing the price of their products, knowing people are desperate, or by lowering the wages of their employees, knowing they will tolerate this behavior because of the difficulty they are facing. It is vital for people to recognize a Muslim not through their Islamic dress, but through their behavior. People should recognize the greatness of Islam through this. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 2079, that a Muslim selling something should reveal its defects to the buyer before they purchase it, as lying will only remove the blessings of Allah, the Exalted. Muslims should therefore never take advantage of the difficulties of others, especially in a time of widespread difficulty and stress. If anything, Muslims should make things easier for others by offering them any aid possible. As long as Muslims are busy helping others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, will continue supporting them. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4893. The one who receives the support of Allah, the Exalted, can never fail in this world or in the next. But the one who takes advantage of the difficulties of others may well find that they are left to their own devices in this world and the next. This will only lead to stress in this world, as the very things they earn through this attitude will become a source of stress for them, and it may well lead to destruction in the next world, even if this is not obvious to a person in this world.